The Komorebi House, designed by QueckArchitektur, is a minimalist residence located in Duggendorf, Germany, seamlessly blending with its natural surroundings. The design draws inspiration from the Japanese concept of komorebi, meaning light filtered through the leaves, which is reflected in the home's integration with the landscape. The house features a sleek black facade that complements the forested environment. Its exterior utilizes carbonized Japanese cedar boards for durability, while the interior showcases light spruce wood, limestone flooring, and contrasting clay and linen finishes. This creates a refined contrast between hard and soft surfaces. The home's ecological approach includes passive solar heating through extensive south-facing glazing and a central clay wall that stores and radiates heat. The green roof incorporates photovoltaic panels, and rainwater is harvested for garden irrigation. Inside, the open plan is organized into private and public zones, with built-in cabinetry defining spaces and a central clay wall adding both aesthetic and functional value. The design focuses on a serene living atmosphere that maintains a strong connection with nature.